What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and here we are once again with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6, and I think I finally found it, the best stylus for this device. I'm going to pull it out here so that we can show it off, and there we go, that unit right there. Now this stylus works so well, I think you might even be able to say that it's better than Samsung's Galaxy SPen Fold Edition. Now I want to emphasize stylus because after all, we are comparing this device to that Samsung Galaxy SPen Fold Edition. So this stylus is from a brand called Nilkin, and it's the best stylus for the Z Fold6 in my opinion for several reasons. First, it's been compatible with all SPen style cases I've tried so far, which tells us that stylus dimensions are very close to the SPens. Second, just like the SPen, this stylus works on the main display. That's the large inner display for those who may not know. But unlike the SPen, the Nilkin stylus also works on the cover display. Now, this is huge for both productivity and creativity because you can use this writing utensil regardless of your phone's orientation without compromise. Build quality is also top-notch here. We have a metal body with good weight, giving a premium feel. No plastic or flex here. We also have the touch of Nilkin branding on the side of the upper body, a complementary look. Precision with this Nilkin stylus is also very good. We have a nice firm tip that has a slight give under pressure. This means this stylus is good for writing, annotating, drawing, and selection. However, a con for some users might be the lack of high-tech features. This is essentially a dumb stylus because its sole purpose is a basic touch device. So what's the catch to getting this stylus? Well, that is you have to order it within a kit. So here we have a case combo. It contains a rear portion of the case, a front portion, and then the stylus. Now, this is fine if you do like the case and you're going to use it, but this might be a bit of a drawback for some people because if you're not using the case, you're essentially paying quite a bit of money for a really good stylus. Now, I will say I am using the front portion from this kit on the Z Fold6, and that's because I have a paper-fill display protector on this device, both on the main display and that cover display, just to improve performance with this stylus. But the front portion actually works really good with display protectors because in this situation, I needed a front portion with very thin bezels for that display protector to fit properly. But aside from this, the other portions of the kit may be tossed to the side because you may have a good configuration here with your kit. So for example, my kit has a combination of pieces here. Again, the front portion is from that kit there, from that case. The stylus is from that portion there, that kit. But the rear of the case is a MagSafe unit, and that's from a different case assembly as well, which for the Z Fold6, that's what I also wanted to mention here. You are having to mix and match things. Now, I will also say I'm constantly looking for stylus alternatives. Good stylus just like this one, but sold separately for you and the other viewers. But I haven't come across anything that is as good as this that is sold separately. That being said, if you are watching this and you have come across something that's really good, that works on both that cover display and that main display, and it's really good quality, let us know in the comments down below, and then I can look into it and check it out. So that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.